Hey everybody, it is SuperGirl KY here again with another Cricut creation, and today we are going to be making birthday cupcake toppers. First, you start out by going into the images, searching birthday present, and finding the one you like. In this case, I picked this one. Now, I reduced the size to be my desired size, and I mirrored it, and I will show you why later. Then, I wanted to change the colors just to spoof some things up a little bit. And I went with a purple and green combo, a yellow and blue combo, and a pink and a slightly teal color. After that, make sure everything looks good and go ahead and click continue. And we're making this on cardstock. So I laid everything out and got to work. Once everything was cut out, I got everything prepared to go ahead and assemble it. So I went ahead, and the reason you mirror it is so that when you put each one back to back against the toothpick, it will match up and line up with each other instead of overlapping. And let's see the final product. I really hope you guys enjoyed this Cricut creation. If you haven't already, please subscribe. If you want to, leave a comment down below on what project you'd like me to make next. As always, it has been a pleasure, and have a super day.